is a light source? What are the different types of light source? When you can't see anything, it's because there is no light source. But when you have a light source and it is on, you can see. This makes light sources very important. If there were none in the world, it would be dark all the time. Now, what is at the definition of the light source? The light source is an object that creates light. But don't forget that there are different types of light source. There are man-made light sources and natural light sources. Man-made light sources are made by humans. I will show you some examples of man-made light sources. Campfire, phones, torchlight, TV lights, camping lamp, and light bulbs. While natural resources are made by nature, here are some examples. We have firefly, fire, lightning, northern lights, stars, and the sun. Do you know that the sun is the main source of light? What can you say about the moon? Explain if the moon produces its own light. I'm waiting for your answers. Bye!